Righteous anger can be a very great force to use, and any person who's working for a movement, for a revolution, light working, anti-oppression, whatever, you need to find a way to manage your own energy, to manage your own internal fire, and to not become that which you hate. And if you want to go look at classic films like Star Wars and other things, it is very easy, if you're not rooted in the pure heart, spiritual reason or grounded moral reason for what you're doing, to get pulled up in the fervor of moments. Nelson Mandela said when he left the prison, where he was wrongly imprisoned, he had to leave the resentment behind. Be committed to your spiritual practice so that you continue to bring that love into your work. Work is love made visible, Khalil Gibran. And the way that you do this is to stay grounded and to stay a part of humanity. People will disappoint you. They will make you angry. And you want to make sure that your actions are as true to the movement you're trying to create as they would be if you weren't super, super upset or angry. So, and this is different, people have different rules, but you want to make sure that you're acting in integrity. And the way that you do that is to know your values, know your integrity, and stay grounded every day. My method of staying grounded is spending time out in nature, connecting and meditating, hugging loved ones, eating good food, getting good rest, reminding myself that I'm safe. Any and all of these things you can do and you need to do, because you have to care for your human body as you're doing this work, because your emotions are going to get activated, triggered. You must continue the spiritual work of inquiry and curiosity and self-love and forgiveness and showing up in the best way that you can. Wishing you all the luck.